Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to use cayenne pepper for squirrels. This video will take you through the most effective ways to use cayenne pepper to keep away these rodents from digging around and destroying your garden or yard. So stick around for the best guide. First, use cayenne pepper powder in the birdseed. Bird feeders usually attract squirrels as they look for what to eat. So you can keep squirrels away from your bird feeders by mixing birdseed with cayenne pepper powder. Like many rodents, squirrels are affected by strong smells and spicy substances. You may add a binding agent like corn syrup to help the mixture stick properly and prevent the bird seeds from settling at the bottom. You can always mix birdseed with cayenne pepper powder and not worry about its effect on birds. Birds are not sensitive to the capsaicin chemical in cayenne pepper, which causes the spicy smell. Remember that after a rainfall, you should reapply the cayenne pepper powder. Moreover, sprinkle the cayenne pepper powder around other areas frequented by squirrels. Squirrels have a habit of burying their food for later. You should look for this disturbed ground and sprinkle it with cayenne pepper powder. Also, sprinkle the pepper powder on the ground below your bird feeders. Formulate and use a cayenne pepper spray. Cayenne pepper spray is an excellent solution if you live in an area that is frequently windy, leading to the dispersal of cayenne pepper powder. Add a few tablespoons of cayenne pepper to a gallon of water, then add a few drops of liquid dish soap to the mixture. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and shake it well before spraying it in areas frequented by squirrels, including around the base of plants in your yard or garden. Although you can spray the mixture on plants, check to confirm that this will not lead to their wilting. Alternatively, you can boil water and mix it with cayenne pepper powder. Let the mixture cool before adding it to a spray bottle, then spray the mixture in areas that attract squirrels. So there you have it. Using cayenne pepper for squirrels in your garden should be easy and effective to protect your flowers and vegetables from being chewed. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.